great things for him, and I can do great things today. My friend, it just narrows itself down what he said to Simon Peter by the Sea of Galilee, lovest thou me? My blessed answer. My blessed answer. My blessed answer.
That we have a beautiful day here in Salt Lake City. It is absolutely magnificent weather, and how grateful we are for it. Spero fra evil fear one. Spero fra evil fear one. Spero fra evil fear one.
I'm going to ask that we all bow our heads in prayer. How I bore you. How I bore you. How I bore you.
And today, the false security that we have in America. It's unbelievable to me. We've sat behind these two great oceans for so long that we think it could never happen here. But inside, you know that you're not committed to Christ. Judgment coming, the storm clouds gathering, the lightning flashing, the thunder roaring. You shall meet Ellen, your right. You shall meet Ellen, your right. You shall meet Ellen, your right.
Lord Jesus Christ said to Simon Peter after his confession, on this rock I will build my church. Simon Peter makes it very clear here that the living stone, the Speransa, the Speransa, the Speransa, the Speransa.